Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day 2. No, day 3. Day 3, and we have breakfast here. This is Vista's plate. Here's my plate. I got a little Mickey. I'll show you that. From the Smiths, 10546. Comes with crystal light. That's cute. So right now we are going to go ahead and watch Lion King, the live action, because we haven't seen it yet. We purposely didn't watch it because we wanted to see it on the ship. You like them?
Very fashionable.
You know, we would pay a lot more money to watch a movie in a movie theater with 3D glass. Hey you guys, what's up? So we already watched The Lion King and it was awesome. Now we are on deck 11 and we are about to eat. Got to our stateroom and we have a gift from Canada. The Tricoats. I hope I'm saying your names right. And we got some candy. Alright, so it's day 3 and this is gonna go ahead and show us what we got for our fish extenders. Where did they bring it from, baby?
Canada. Got it from Canada. Okay, let's see. So it's Hostess hickory sticks. Here, Old Dutch ketchup flavored. That's interesting.
That's cool.
Wow. Okay. So
I love ketchup though.
Huh?
I love ketchup.
Yeah, it's potato chips. Actually, potato chips.
Ooh.
Great. We can munch on those. We got a few Canada dollars, 2020.
Ooh.
I'm assuming it's chocolate. Okay, so we got Kit Kats. And
that looks different than our package.
Yeah, it looks different. Pretty interesting. Secord milk chocolates.
Oh, yum.
They're called Rocket.
Really?
Yeah.
We call them Smarties.
Smarties, yeah.
That's so cool.
I don't know what they are. Haven't read them yet, but
yum.
we'll look at them right now.
I've never seen them before. Thank you.
Okay, so this is Nestle Smarties.
Thanks so much for the gift, you guys. We're excited to have all these snacks. Thank you. By the way, this is our porthole. There you go. It's nice. Hey you guys, so I'm on my way to the timeshare presentation, and this is in his room taking a nap in our room. He's in the room taking a nap because he just needs a cat nap, so I'm on my way by myself. Took the elevator to myself, so I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. Hello.
Hi.
We are on our way to Remy and we have a 6:40 appointment. This didn't bring a jacket, but thankfully Disney is letting him borrow one without a charge. So we're excited about that. We are excited for this long dinner. Hopefully we make it on time to go to the Aladdin Show at 8:15, and we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. Outfits of the day. So handsome. This is my outfit.
Really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go try it out. Yeah, it's a place for you.
So good. Very light.
And please, no. Of course, I wish you bon appétit.
Thank you.
So good.
Okay.
The lobsters usually from salt. Just a little.
Nage, monsieur, it's awesome.
Really like it.
Okay.
This carrot beurre blanc to complete your meal. Lunch. Serve with also the scalp mousse, the coteau champignon sauce. I wish you a bon appetit one more time and of course enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then the kids.
Good.
Here, I'll give you. This is the black currant and also the dark jus.
Tastes like butter.
Bon appétit.
I love the little fish that it was nice on.
But it's so tender.
It's amazing.
So we just tasted all of the cheeses, and oh my goodness, that was amazing.
Oh, it was an experience for sure.
Yeah, we've never tasted so many cheeses in one sitting, or so many different flavors. So if you guys do come, make sure that you ask to taste every single cheese, because that was such an amazing experience. I thought I knew what cheese was, but I don't.
So we have a little surprise for you.
Okay.
What is it?
It's an egg.
It looks like an
It's a
egg.
dragon egg? No. You saw Game of Thrones? It's a cake, of course. It's a cake.
Oh, wow.
Joyeux anniversaire de mariage. That means happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Wow.
It's made with praline and feuilletine on the bottom. After we have a nice milk chocolate, one of the best chocolate of the world actually is coming from Madagascar called Tana River chocolate. And it's fantastic in terms of flavor and texture. You will see it's really good. So what's going to happen, we're going to take it back to the kitchen. I will cut it and serve it to you just after your dessert.
Awesome.
Yes. Please.
Wow. Got a rose for my birthday. Time to go. Oh my goodness, that was the best dinner I've ever had in my life.
That was so good.
And we're not being dramatic. It was awesome. Just got to the room. We had an envelope. You want to grab that, babe? Alright. Ooh. That's our little buddy for the day. And they always give us some Ghirardelli chocolate. It's end of day 3. We're extremely full right now. We had dinner maybe about 2 or 3 hours ago, right?
Yep.
We ate at Remy. It was delicious.
So good.
So good that we feel like we're blowing up right now. Wow. If you guys are going to eat there, make sure you don't eat throughout the day so that you have an appetite for it when you get there. It's been a wonderful day, November 4th, 2019, and we will see you tomorrow in the morning. See you later.
Good night.
Bye.